I'm going to show you exactly how to generate leads through your email signatures today, okay? So here's a question for you. So how many times do you use your email per day? 20, 30, 40? How many times are you sending out emails, right? How many times are you sending out emails a month? 1,500? Now, every one of those times, you could be promoting your products and generating leads for free. So here's what you do. So next up, you open up your Gmail, Hotmail, whatever you use, right? Go to your settings and set up a default signature. Now, on there, I want you to put a link to your lead magnet, just like this, okay? Freebies at this link, or white papers at this link. Just put a link to your freebie or whatever you're offering, your products, whatever you want, right there, okay? Make sure it's a freebie. Make sure you're not straight up selling a product, okay? Don't send a link, don't put a link to like a, checkout page, okay? You could, but that's not gonna work much. So put a link to a lead magnet, okay? Do it right now. Pause this video and do it right now. Now, within 1 week, if you don't see at least 2 or 3 new leads, come back on this video and yell at me. That's how confident I am that it's gonna work for you, because you're like, oh, it's too simple, it's not gonna work. Trust me, okay? Try it right now and come back in a week and tell me if it doesn't work. You can yell at me. You can say, oh, this video sucks, oh, this is a bad video, this is a stupid idea. But before you say that, I want you to give it a try and see if it works, because it will. That's a guarantee. So this is so easy, okay? Now, make sure to check out my book, Lead Generation Book. And this book has been top 5 on Amazon and Barnes & Noble for 2-3 years. Read it if you want to. But yeah, if you love this video, make sure to go and subscribe so I can get you more lead generation videos on your YouTube recommendation. Sounds like a fair idea? Thank you so much.